Hello there everybody, welcome back to Try New Things, where today's video is going to be super quick. What I've got to do is fix my sun visor in my Jeep, but it's going to be the same or similar to many of your sun visors. So if you got a broken sun visor and it's broke the same way mine is, I may have a cheap and easy fix for you. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to resolve this issue. This metal pin was coated in a plastic sleeve that would snap up here on the sun visor and hold it in place. But that plastic sleeve has since disintegrated and this no longer works. But we can fix that. So what I have here is some replacement sleeves that I picked up on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below. But we're just going to take one of those, put it over that pin, and fix our problem up. So here's what they look like outside of the package. There's essentially a rubber tube and not a plastic tube, which is nice. But they do say on the website, don't try it if it's too cold, because these can get brittle. Now, what I was thinking is there would be a slot down one edge, so you could slide it over the pin, but that's not the case. So I'm going to use my utility knife, slot one side, then we'll head back out to the Jeep and install this on the sun visor. So I ended up cutting a slot all the way down one side. I actually put a nail in there so I wouldn't cut through both sides by mistake. But now I just got to separate this enough to put it over top of that pin, and then it should work. So now with the new rubber sleeve installed, we should be able to just push it up in there and put it away. Just like that, fixed my loose and broken sun visor. Well, I wasn't lying when I said it was going to be a quick video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Give it a big thumbs up before you head out. If you got any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. So now we're going to take a quick break to thank this week's sponsor. And this week's sponsor, like every week's sponsor, is me, Chris Gladstone with TNT Try New Things, where I have started a new website link. Partnering with Buy Me a Coffee as an opportunity for you to check out some of the items I have for sale that you have probably watched the videos on me making. It's also an opportunity to sponsor the channel directly, either through buying me a coffee, or if you're feeling particularly generous, signing up for an annual membership. With that, I'm going to go back to the video.